All right, guys, I have made the perfect meal for St. Patrick's Day. I've made an Irish potato pie. Oh, yum. And I've added some ham just to give it a little bit extra love and deliciousness. So let me show you how easy this is to make.
I'm using my mandolin to slice my potatoes, adding 2 tablespoons of butter to a large skillet and a half of an onion chopped. Then I'm adding my sliced potatoes, and it's about 1.5 pounds. Adding some salt, pepper, and dried thyme. And then I'm just going to let these cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm going to lightly grease a pie plate, and I have here just a store-bought pie crust. I'm just going to lay it inside my pie plate. And this is the ham and cheese that I will be using. This is a mild cheddar cheese. It's an Irish cheese, and I'm just grating it. And then I have the Oscar Mayer carving board ham, and I am just cutting it to a small dice. All right, now I am going to layer the potatoes with some ham and cheese. Putting another layer of the potatoes on top. And these potatoes are slightly cooked. Then the rest of the ham and the rest of the cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to pour 1/4 cup of half and half over top. And then 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just pinching them till they have little pieces, placing them all over top. And then I'm covering with aluminum foil, tinting it a little bit. Then you'll want to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes covered and about 15 minutes uncovered.
All right, now it's time to cut into this. I want to show you all what it looks like. It's still steaming hot. I couldn't wait. If you let it set a little bit, it'll hold together a little bit better, but yeah, I couldn't wait. That is divine. Oh my goodness. It's like scalloped potatoes in a pie. All right, well, I hope you give it a try. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.